Hello, little one. Do you know who made the trees, the sky, and even you? Let's go back to the very beginning, when there was nothing at all. In the very beginning, there was nothing. No light, no sky, no trees, no animals, just quiet. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God called the light day and the dark night. That was the first day. On the second day, God made the big blue sky, high above the waters below. God said, "Let dry ground appear," and it did. He made plants, trees, and yummy fruits grow all over. That was the third day. Then God made lights in the sky, the sun for the day, and the moon and stars for the night. That was the fourth day. God filled the sky with birds, and the seas with swimming fish. So many shapes, colors, and sounds. That was the fifth day. God made all the animals, big and small, lions, elephants, butterflies, and more. Then God made people, just like you and me. He made us to love and care for His beautiful world. That was the sixth day. God looked at everything He made, and it was very good. On the seventh day, God rested, and made it a special day to rest and thank Him. God made everything, and He made you. The end. If you liked this story, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Bible stories made just for little ones. See you next time. Bye-bye.